if I boil down what enables somebody to make it into special operations, and we have some data on this, it's something like these are people whose brains and bodies can perform at an extremely high level under exquisite stress. And so if I think about what makes the best CEOs, there's other factors, but being able to perform cognitively and physically from the standpoint of energy and not getting enough sleep and other things through an extreme stress, that's a key thing for executives too. And having talked to a lot of people at high levels in both, I see a lot of overlaps, but of course the physical fitness level in one group is, pretty different than the average fitness.
That angle, because everything is about how you control your mind and you determine your mindset to get into peak performances. When you were a kid, were you like that? Were you fascinated? You seem to have a spirit of a scientist from my perspective, like the guy that is passionate about science in general and all the technologies.